Got a 1983 Chevy El Camino. Now you guys haven't seen one of these in a while. What we did on it, it's true duals with a high flow aftermarket cat. Then what we did is we eliminated everything and put side pipes on it. Out the sides before the tires. Right there and right there. With 3.5 inch by 18 tips. Angle cut. One there. There's the other one. And one there. And it says El Camino. Stands for the Camino. And there it is. There's the back of it. I don't know if you guys care about all that. There it is right there on the back. That's what they wanted. We do what they want. And that's it. Let you hear it now. That's Chevy power. Yeah. If you don't got a Chevy, you got a Ford or a Dodge. Or maybe a Kia. I doubt you'll have a Kia, but if you do, that's cool. I think it sounds beastly. That's what the old rusty pipe that came off. That sounds amazing. I love it. Let us know what you guys think and make sure you subscribe. And that's how it's done.